Here's something pretty cool. All these Manzanita in here. Look at how twisted that is. That's twisted. It's twisted once, twice, 3 times. That's awesome. And if you don't know if Sasquatch did this, there's Sasquatch's little sign. Look at all the sticks right there that he likes to pile up. And this is one I really like. This has been woven through this. Look how old it is. I mean, it sits in there absolutely perfect. They've been manipulating these Manzanitas for quite a while. See that? Manzanita does not